Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to walk you through on how to create a trading bot on StockHero. Before that, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Without further ado, let's move on to the tutorial. This tutorial will be based on our brand new web app. You can access our StockHero web app through the login button located on our homepage. After logging in, click on the bots link in the StockHero dashboard. When you are at the bots page, click the plus button. You will see a drop-down of all the various bot types offered by StockHero. Since I am a user on the free plan, I can only select the simple bot. If it's your first time using StockHero, I would suggest you try our paper trading. Paper trading is risk-free and does not use any real capital. Paper trading is using virtual funds to trade our virtual exchange. In our web app, you may adjust your virtual funds in the settings page. For mobile apps, you can adjust it in the portfolio section. Now let's give your bot a name. It is a good practice to name the bot after the stock it is set up to trade on. For this example, since I will be trading Apple, I will name the bot AAPL. Next, you can select a stock. I'll be choosing AAPL. You can configure long or short strategy as well. I'll go with the long strategy for this setup. Next, click the Trade Parameters option. In this section, you can choose how much funds to allocate to the bot. The bot will not use more than your allocated fund. For this example, I'll set $1,000 for this bot. Below that, we have the order type, which are essentially limit or market order types. I will choose the market order type. Market order type ensures that my order is filled immediately. Next, you can set your base order limit. The base order limit is the amount of funds the bot will use for the first order. It is based on the percentage of the fund allocation. So I can choose from 5% all the way to 100%. Let's go for 50%. Now onto the base order type, static or dynamic. I will choose static so that the bot will use the same amount of fund allocation each time it starts a new position. If you select dynamic, the bot will start a new position using the net proceeds from the last closed position. Another important parameter to note is the extra orders. You can choose to disable it, or you can choose 1, 2, 3, or 4 up to 10 extra orders for this simple bot. For now, I'll go with 1 extra order. For advanced bot, you can actually set up 30 extra orders. Extra order simply instructs the bot to use the remaining amount in the fund allocation for subsequent trades after the base order amount is used for the first trade. Next, we can see minimum price gap between extra orders. The minimum is 0.5% up to the maximum of 100%. I will set it as 1%. Then I can choose my trading frequency. I can pick all the way down from 15 minutes to 1 day. For this example, I will choose 1 hour. Professional plan users can trade as fast as 1 minute frequency. Now let's move to the entry conditions. StockHero actually supports multiple technical indicators for entries and exits. You can enter with one indicator and exit with another different indicator. In this case, I will be going with RSI, which is a pretty common indicator. The bot will close a position based on the exit conditions. Under the exit conditions, the bot can be configured to take profit or stop loss. For the take profit level, I'll set it as 5%. For the stop loss level, I'll be going with 10%. Note that the take profit and stop loss is based on the average purchase price. Similar to entry conditions, I can choose at least one indicator for the exit condition. I'll pick EMA for my exit condition. On the right side here, you can see a button called Run Backtest. You can choose to run backtest from 1 day up to 1 year of historical data. I'll pick 1 month to run the backtest. So this will help me see how my bot will perform historically, and I will tune my settings in order to achieve my trading objectives. Below, you can see the backtest trades based on historical data. After you are satisfied, click the Create Bot button. This new bot is now listed in the Active tab with the status Waiting for Entry. This means the bot is monitoring real-time market data and will automatically execute a trade if the entry or exit conditions are met. So there you go. I've created my first bot in StockHero in less than 5 minutes. Please feel free to reach out to us via email or Telegram. Contact us if you have any questions. Don't forget to sign up for StockHero on our website at www.stockhero.ai. Try it and let us know how it goes.